Hippo paradise.
Yeah. And the Kazinga, in the local setup, it means a small place surrounded by water. And it bears the first name of this park, so it was called Queen Elizabeth National Park. The Queen is just colonial, these were colonial masters, and people have no issues. Like George is on the eastern side, these were sons to Victoria.
Okay.
George and then Edward down. It's about 32 kilometers in between. It's much more deeper in the middle, a maximum of 8 meters. For good swimmers, you easily swim through. And then,
what they do with the hippos?
yeah, you just do it, kind of dodge. I remember when I was young down there, we would swim. And even when the hippos are there. But it was a big risk. Now, I may not.
Yeah.
From what I have seen at this stage, I may not swim here. I may not swim here because of the hippos and the crocodiles.
Smarter.
Young age is kind of madness.
Yeah.
At the time we were swimming there were no crocodiles. But now, where I'm born, they put even cages for people to draw water from. The crocodile issue is really very, 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 very big issue.
Wow.
Yeah. So besides the tourism, this place, they use it for fishing. That's why you see these guys here in the market area. They are now organizing the fishermen. And they eat in the evening. They lay their fishes, stay the whole night, stay to 4 a.m. That's when they come back. The main type of fish is tilapia. Tilapia is this much, and it is served to the visitors sleeping around Queen. Fresh from the Kazinga Channel. Born after 22 minutes. Such a long time.
Yeah.
We have another species of elephant, the forest. And the forest elephants are more in the forest national parks.
They're very near.
These
You can't
ones-
see them.
Yeah.
They
Whereas these ones are more in the open grassland. That is one of the males. You know, hippos are highly territorial. That's what I should have said. In that group or in that school, there is always one male which is dominant over others. And it doesn't allow any other adult male to go there in the middle. So some of these males will keep on the edges. So this one is male, the other one is male. They wait. Yeah. Sometimes the groups are a bit bigger. To be managed by one alpha male, and then they get chance to sneak a few females.
Very sneaky. Daddy. Yeah, daddy. Let me take a video of your phone.
So elephants are very sensitive to the noise. That's why you see them having realized our presence. They decided to keep under that shade. But immediately we go, they come back. Or they are trying to plan to switch to another drinking point because they haven't had enough. They have not had enough water.
Let's go. Mama. And elephant köra bara eating all the time in Yemen.
Big elephant. Why you?
Elefantman kan da was trinken und die Milchpferde, die baden da. Ja, die sind total. Oh, da ist ein Baby hippo.
Mhm.
You get the hippos in there.
Oh, bottoms up.
So this is one of the spots, very wide and low. Yeah, we normally see families walking throughout. Sometimes buffalo,
Oh, that's a cool shit.
and then it is for the
Shitting.
hippos.
Shitting right now.
Yeah.
Very nice.
A pair from the African fishing. One of the smart vultures seen around lakes, rivers, it is the palm nut vulture. They hunt live prey. There is also the waterbuck. Waterbuck is a big goat. They are one of the big hunters.
Das ist der Adler. Das macht der Adler.
That nest is cute.
The water is
I know.
one of the sea eagles, but the African fishing.
Da ist ein Waterbucks.
Did you notice the difference between this one and the other one?
No.
Actually, it is mistaken. People, when they look at the other one, they think it is this one. But the other one, the breast is all white.
Oh, not just
Yes,
The one on top.
yes.
That's the moisture.
And that is the vulture now.
Okay, and these
And these
won't
two
turn,
are
down.
fish eagle.
Okay.
And if you look at this book of mine, you see the vulture is this one. And in flight, you can see it is all white. Under the wings, partly. Then this is the vulture, the African fish eagle. That is the vulture. This is the African fish eagle.
Vulture, full white belly.
Huh?
Vulture is the full white belly.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can see them now. That makes more sense.
Yeah.
But now, what brings them together is the nest. They are nesting together. Those nests are for different birds.
Yeah.
One of them is the hammercock. Have you
Commune.
seen the hammercock?
Mm-hmm.
The morning there.
The hammercock is a brown bird with a hammer-like
There,
neck.
is it there?
Where? You see the
Yeah, the brown one, yeah.
The brown one
Yeah.
is the owner of the big nest.
That one.
Oh,
Yeah.
Front of that one.
Yeah,
he owns the big nest?
yeah, he owns the big
Yeah.
nest.
A baby.
And the name is derived from the shape of the head. It's like a hammer.
Oh,
the
cool
carpenter's
down.
hammer.
If it's a bird, but
Then the smaller nest
you get the
is for the vulture.
Okay.
The smallest head.
Yeah, the smaller one and more open. And here the concern is why such a small bird for a big nest.
Yeah.
They prepare for the big family sometimes. Sometimes they expect a big family. Up to maybe 4 young, 2 adults, they can all fit there.
Okay.
Big nest.
Then the yellow-billed oxpecker. We normally call these birds animal doctor because they remove parasites off their skin. Yeah. So they are ever hanging around the buffaloes, the cattle, all that.
Well, once again, Kelsey and Flash, I welcome you to Katongo Child Support Organization. This organization was started up by Ebo, me, and other fellow guides.
That's awesome.
It was done through the initiative since around COVID. We didn't have business, so we were like, what should we give back to the society and the community? Most of these kids are vulnerable kids, orphans, so they could not have access to good food, good health, clothing, all the basic needs. So we were like, okay, let's try out something that can help like the community and the kids. Preferably this is the first foundation we have here in this park, but when you go to other parks they have some foundations there, and eventually most of these go to school, but some go to government schools, some go to our own school we started. It just started this year, so this is the second term. It is a small school. We are just trying our level best to bring up, because it's a lot expensive when we push them to other schools, but we try to collect the little we can and other donations from people who will like feel like they can give back to these kids, and we put them into one collection center, which is like a daycare nursery school. It goes from primary 1 to primary 3. That is like between 4 years and 7 years to 8 years. So some of them are those ones which go to that kindergarten school, and others do go to other primary school. Whereas we have some who are into the organization, they started into secondary education, and for them we are helping them from that side. So I'm introducing you to this foundation. Maybe sometime you'll be our ambassadors back home in the US, as we have some already. So feel free to enjoy, feel free to take pictures, photos with them. Feel free to interact with them.
Enjoy.
All right.
Okay. Show us what you got. Oh, wow. Starting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great rivers and Amazon, oh Uganda my home. Giants, animals like elephants, hippos, lions and zebras, all living our national parks, oh Uganda my home. This is the time, the time. This is the time, the time, the time to say farewell to you. May the Lord be you from now and forever until we meet once again. This is the time, the time, the time to say farewell to you. May the Lord be you from now and forever until we meet once again. Our dear visitors, visitors, to say farewell to you. May the Lord be you from now and forever until we meet once again. This is the time, the time, the time to say farewell to you. May the Lord be you from now and forever until we meet once again.
Ready? Okay. Probably be in front. So you don't see my ass the whole time. You should probably be in front.
You got it, girl.
Beers on the street.
Beers.
Beers. Let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing you let us pee.
I know.
We would have never made it home.
They are not so cold. So cold. Are you okay with this?
Let me touch. Oh yeah. They're not warm.
You do it. That's a real
No.
come on beer. You're the one who's picky.
No. I can't do it. Honestly.
Well done. Well done, yes.
Cheers. How much do you want?
Sente, Meka? One. This is 12,000.
12.
Yeah. Gala kutoka
Cherry.
mwenye cherry. You can see this. Hey, ekisoboka.
Cheers. It's red.